In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or want to draw attention to a specific part of an image, mastering the zoom function can transform your slides from good to great. So sit back, grab your coffee, and let's dive in. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. It's where all our magic begins. Open up Microsoft PowerPoint by clicking on its icon on your desktop or searching for it in your computer's search bar. With PowerPoint open, you're ready to bring your presentation to life. Now, locate the file you'll be working with today. On the opening screen of PowerPoint, you will see an option to open existing presentations. Navigate through your folders and select the PowerPoint file you wish to edit. Double-click on it or select it and click Open to load your presentation into PowerPoint. With your presentation open, it's time to start the fun part. Look towards the top of the PowerPoint window. There you'll find a ribbon full of tabs. Click on the Insert tab to reveal a variety of tools for adding content to your slides, including text boxes, images, and crucially for us, the Zoom feature. Now let's focus on that Zoom feature. In the Insert tab, you'll see an option labeled Zoom. It might not stand out at first glance, but it's going to be the key to a tool for us today. Click on Zoom to expand your options. Among these options, you'll notice one called Summary Zoom. It might sound a bit mysterious, but it's essentially a tool that allows you to create a landing slide with thumbnails of other slides. However, it also has the nifty ability to zoom into particular slides or content, which is precisely what we're after. So go ahead and click on Summary Zoom. Now you'll see a dialog box or a section of your screen that allows you to choose slides for your Summary Zoom. This is where creativity meets functionality. Think about the slide or the part of the image you want to emphasize. Maybe it's a detailed chart, a logo, or a specific section of a graphic. Once you've decided, select the slide that contains the image or content you wish to zoom into. After selecting the slide, you'll notice an Insert button become active or highlighted. Click on Insert to proceed. What PowerPoint does next is both clever and practical. It inserts a thumbnail of the selected slide into your current slide. This thumbnail acts as a special kind of hyperlink that, when clicked during a presentation, zooms into the selected slide. But here's where the real customization comes in. You're not stuck with the default size or position of this thumbnail. Feel free to move it around, resize it, or even crop it to ensure it perfectly aligns with your vision for the slide. This flexibility allows you to highlight exactly what you want your audience to focus on. Now, a couple of tips to make sure your zoomed in image or content truly stands out. First, consider the background of your slide. Ensure there's enough contrast between your Zoom thumbnail and the slide's background to make it pop. Secondly, practice your presentation. When you click on that thumbnail during the show, it will zoom in. Knowing exactly when and how to click can make the transitions seamless and impressive. Lastly, remember that the best presentations are those that engage and enlighten your audience. The Zoom feature in PowerPoint is just one tool in your arsenal to achieve this. Use it wisely and creatively to enhance the story you're telling or the information you're presenting. And there you have it. You now know how to zoom in on an image in PowerPoint, adding an extra layer of professionalism and sophistication to your presentations. Experiment with this feature. Play around with different images and slides and see how it can transform your presentations from the mundane to the captivating. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful and that you're now better equipped to take your PowerPoint presentations to the next level. Happy presenting!